Hello Internet, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a redstone machine that will let you send a full minecart chest to a location like a chest or a dispenser, drop all of its contents into it, and automatically return to you when it's empty to create a reusable transportation system. What you're going to need for this is 3 types of rails: powered rail, regular minecart rail, and a detector rail. Some kind of a block to place. It could be anything, cobblestone, whatever. Redstone torches, dust, repeaters, comparators, some kind of a container like a chest or a dispenser, a button, hopper, a chest with a minecart in it, and something to put in your minecart. So, to get started, I am going to place a dispenser, and again this acts as any container, so it can be a chest or anything else you want to put here. And we're going to get a hopper feeding into our container, and we want to have minecart tracks running over this hopper, so those will be set up like so. And we want this powered rail to be diagonal, and we want this rail to be a detector rail. That's going to be important. And the minecart rail just leads off to wherever from here. It doesn't matter, so we're just going to have it end here. Here we can place down our chest minecart. We can go ahead and put a button here so that we can launch it when we're ready to test. And I'm just going to put some kind of a junk item in the minecart so that we can test it later on. And here's where we're going to start hooking up the redstone. We need a redstone comparator, which is going to gauge the fullness of this hopper here to figure out basically if there's anything in the hopper. And we're going to put a redstone repeater here so that it can amplify the signal from the hopper no matter how weak it is. Sorry, the signal from the comparator no matter how weak it is. And we're going to have redstone coming around like this. And we want that to be connected to a redstone torch, which will invert the redstone signal. We want that leading up to the rail here, so that when the hopper is empty, like it is now, it sends a signal to the rail that will send our minecart back to where it came from. And now we're going to put redstone underneath the detector rail, leading to the same torch block here. I'm going to count to make sure it's not too long here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and move our torch block up like that. That will let us conserve a little redstone here. So now it's not too long. And what this should do is when we press this button, the minecart is going to go down the track, hit the detector rail, which is going to temporarily turn off this powered rail. Then the minecart is going to start dropping items into our hopper here, which will feed them into the dispenser. And when the hopper is empty, it will reactivate the rail and send the minecart back. So let's go ahead and test it here. Alright, we see items are leaving the minecart, going to the hopper, then the dispenser. When it's empty, the minecart returns back to where it was. This type of system has a few cool applications. For instance, sending a chest minecart back to a storage room to put in waste blocks like cobblestone, or to put a bunch of minerals away after you've just finished mining. It can also act as a trash can by shooting waste blocks like cobblestone, dirt, whatever, into some kind of a dispenser that spits them out into lava or just into empty space, and that will get rid of waste items without you having to personally throw everything out of your inventory or store them in chests. And I'm sure there's a few more applications that you could think of, and you could do some pretty cool stuff with this. This redstone setup is my own design. I spent a few hours looking over it the other day. I don't know if there's anything else like this out there, but I did not use any other redstone tutorials to build this. Thank you for watching, and good luck.